Jess Anne Boutique is marketed as an online fashion store offering trendy clothing, boutique-style collections, and attractive discounts that can make the products look like incredible deals. The website creates the impression of a premium boutique, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, not every online boutique is automatically fake. Some newer retailers are legitimate businesses that are still building their reputation. What it does well: the clothing looks stylish. Professional product photos create a premium boutique appearance. The website appears polished. A modern e-commerce design makes shopping simple and convenient. Where the concerns start appearing: a polished website doesn't guarantee trust. This is the biggest issue. Professional branding alone isn't proof of quality or reliable customer service. Product photos may not match the actual item. Marketing images can create expectations that differ from what customers receive. Large ongoing discounts can create artificial urgency. Permanent sales may encourage impulse purchases. So, should you buy from Jess Anne Boutique? Short answer: proceed carefully. There may not be enough evidence to immediately label it fake, but you shouldn't rely solely on the website's appearance or discounts. Check independent customer reviews and use a buyer-protected payment method before ordering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.